Welcome to our channel. If you need time off work for medical reasons, follow these step-by-step instructions to apply for leave under the Family and Medical Leave Act. Step 1. Determine if you're eligible for FMLA. You must have worked for your employer for at least 12 months, logged 1,250 hours in the past year, and work at a location with 50 or more employees. Step 2. Understand what medical conditions qualify for FMLA. Covered reasons include your own serious health condition, caring for a family member with a serious condition, or birth and care of a newborn. Step 3. Notify your employer as soon as possible about your need for leave. Provide at least 30 days advance notice when the need is foreseeable, or as soon as practical in emergency situations. Step 4. Obtain medical certification from your healthcare provider. Your doctor must complete forms explaining your condition, treatment plan, and need for time away from work. Step 5. Complete your employer's FMLA request forms. Your HR department should provide the necessary paperwork, including employee leave request and medical certification forms. Step 6. Submit all required documentation to your Human Resources Department. Keep copies of everything you submit for your personal records. Step 7. Understand your rights and responsibilities during FMLA leave. Your employer must maintain your health insurance, and you have the right to return to the same or equivalent position. Step 8. Communicate regularly with your employer about your leave status and expected return date. Provide updates if your situation changes or you need to extend your leave period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.